Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Teresa Michele. Today I am doing a video in collaboration with Mint and Lily. Mint and Lily is a jewelry company and brand that sells affordable, personalized, and non-personalized jewelry pieces. They have a wide variety of new and trending products, which includes bracelets, rings, and necklaces, all for affordable prices. Taking a look at their new and trending products, we see this pressed birth flower necklace, which is absolutely beautiful and available for personalization. You also have your choice of monogram name earrings or a non-personalized piece, such as a blue opal tennis bracelet. Moving along, you can see this Stella Dainty name bracelet where you can personalize the name that you would like on the bracelet. If we head on over to bracelets, we see that there is a wide variety of bracelets that you can choose from. You can choose from something that is personalized or non-personalized, and they are all so beautiful and high quality. Checking out their rings, again, look at how these tiny stackable name rings can be a great addition to your jewelry collection. They also have a monogram name ring, which could be great for adding to your personal jewelry collection or also the perfect gift for someone else. As we take a look at the necklaces, we can see that they offer pendant necklaces, both personalized and non-personalized. The jewelry is made from premium materials that will never tarnish, which is very important for me because I always take a shower with my jewelry on. Lastly, let's take a quick look at their earrings. You can choose from a non-personalized pave huggy hoop earring or a single birthstone huggy hoop earring. They also offer birthstone drop ear jacket earrings along with bold hoop earrings. So you have so much to choose from, which is why I absolutely love this site. When choosing my jewelry pieces, I chose pieces that have meaning for me. So let's go ahead and get into my jewelry pieces. I am so excited to show you guys. But first, let's take a look at this packaging. How cute is this packaging? Each piece comes in a mint colored suede pouch with magnetic buttons. It's just the cutest thing. The first piece we have here is a tiny paw print bracelet. How cute is this? This piece was $39. It's $9.25 sterling silver. I chose the tiny paw print bracelet because it reminded me of my little dog Bear who passed away a couple of years ago. And when I saw this, I immediately thought of him and his little paw. He was a little pomchi. This piece just spoke to me, so I had to get it. I just had to. Look at how cute and dainty this piece is. I just absolutely love this piece. The next piece I chose was this dainty pave tag initial necklace. It's regularly $29, but I got it for $34 because I added an additional tag in birthstone. This necklace is silver and you can put the initials along with the birthstone that you would like on the tags. I chose a G for my husband Gregory along with his December birthstone and a J for my daughter Jordan with her September birthstone. I absolutely love how these tags came out. The only thing that I would say about this necklace is that I wish the chain was shorter. So I wish that it was like choker length, like up here maybe something like this, or even something like this. Yeah, I just wish the chain was, a little bit shorter. Other than that, I absolutely love this piece. This is the perfect piece that you can gift to a parent or a grandparent. You can put the child's initials and birthstones on there or the grandchildren's initials and birthstones on there. It is just a cute piece that is perfect for yourself or gifting to somebody else. And last but definitely not least, we have the classic photo bracelet that you guys have seen all over TikTok. And I have been wondering if this photo bracelet actually works. Well, I am here to tell you that it freaking does. When I saw Mint and Lily had this photo bracelet, I absolutely had to get it because I have been seeing this photo bracelet all over TikTok and I had to know if it actually worked. It absolutely does. It's the craziest thing. It made me so excited. So the bracelet is silver. And when you look into the photo stone, you have to look into it on the front side. You can clearly see the photo of yourself. So in here, I put a photo of my husband and I where he's kissing me on the cheek and I'm smiling, looking at the camera. It's the cutest picture. It's in black and white. I wish I could show you guys, but I was like, oh my God, like it actually works. It's so crazy. I just love this. I just love all of these pieces that I received. Thank you so much, Mint and Lily. I really appreciate you reaching out and wanting to do this collab with me. I now have these jewelry pieces that have so much meaning to them, and I just am grateful for that. Make sure you head on over to mintandlily.com so that you can get your affordable, high quality pieces. Use the promo code Teresa20 to receive 20% off your purchases. And don't forget to take advantage of their free shipping over $65. The shipping is free and it's fast. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.